Bronco. So we got one on Amazon from a guy named Mabett. There's the original. Just didn't do the job. So what we're going to do, remove that, and I'm going to show you the new Mabett one. Put your prong in there and pull hard on it, and eventually you'll get it. Takes a little bit of work, but it'll come down. Hit the little clip and unplug it. Now, here's the OEM one, and as you can see, there's not much to it. It's only two little single LEDs, but the new Mabett one has 3 rows of LEDs, and it has a touch button on it, so you can just reach up and touch it, and it will illuminate all of the lights inside. What I usually do is I usually just add a little bit more two-way tape. But first I use some alcohol swabs and I clean up the area where the light is going to go on. And it's direct plug and play, so there's not much to it really. So I'll just plug it back in, and there's really no way of putting it on wrong. But just keep in mind too that this light is only designed for a 4-door Bronco. But it makes a huge difference to the machine. It's a quality built light. Well designed. And it looks, well actually it looks like it came with the machine once it's installed. There you go. Here's the light working. Very bright. That's from the back seat. And that's right up and under it, and as you can see, I'm trying to touch feature of it, and I have rubber gloves on, and it still works perfect. It's probably one of the best quality items I've installed. This here is a before picture with the OEM light, and this here is the Mabett light. That's it, folks. Not much to it, as you can see. What a huge improvement it made. Hey, even the packaging on this thing was great. Hey, if you're interested in this particular light, check it out on Amazon.com under Mabett Accessories, and the link will be provided to you in the video description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you the next time around. Take care and enjoy your Bronco.